we are going to review how we can use the Graphical Scheduler to show sales orders. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on View, and we're going to create a new view. And we'll just call this Sales Order, Sales Orders. Now by default, it'll show production data. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on Add a Data Source, and we're going to choose anything. So anything quite literally means any table inside of Business Central. So we're going to choose the three dots. We're going to type in our sales. So you could use shipments, you could use invoices, you could use warehouse shipments. Just for this video, I'm just going to choose sales header. We're going to have just the document number field be the document number field. And what you're doing is you're choosing the order date as the starting date, maybe. And for the ending date, typically people are choosing due date or maybe shipment date. So let's change it to shipment date. And the where is it? So this is the left-hand side. So the when is it, you're choosing basically the start of the block and the end of the block with the starting date time and ending date time. And the where is it is the left-hand side. So if you want it just to be the location code, you would choose location. You can also choose something else if you want to organize by customer or something like that. Now, if you wanted to choose or organize by, say, by item, you would need to choose the sales line instead of the sales header. And if we wanted to make changes, we would just choose allow rights, and then we'd define what exactly we want to change. But for now, we're just going to say this is read only. So it's only going to let us look at the sales orders. And then we're just going to remove this default production line. So now we just have this anything provider on here for sales orders. Okay, so now we're going to click on it, and we can see our sales orders. All right, now just like any other view, you can still configure what goes inside of it with a cell template. So if I wanted to say, see the customer name or something like that, we'll just type in name, let's say cell to customer name inside of the cell. And maybe in the tooltip, I want to have something like customer and then add in the name there. Maybe I'll choose bill to name. And then I could use something like due date. We'll add in the field due date. And then I could add in order date. We'll add an order date. And let's maybe add an shipment date. And again, right now for this example, we're looking at the sales header. If you had individual shipment lines, so if you're not shipping the whole order at once, you would use the sales line table instead. So we'll just go shipment date. We're going to close that off and refresh it. And then we should be seeing, here's our sales order with the customer name. And then we can see in our tooltip all of those details. Okay, so that is how you can show sales orders with shipment data. It's the same process. If you want to look at shipment headers, just use a shipment table instead. If you only wanted to look at orders, not quotes or invoices, you just add in a filter, just like any other data source. And if you wanted to, say, see the individual lines and group by line information instead, then you can do that as well. All right, so for example, if we wanted to, because right now, what we're doing is we are grouping by the sell to customer number. Let's just group it by location here instead. And again, this is the location that's on the header. So I'll just group by location, and then we'll take a look at that. And then you'll see here how it's grouping by location instead. So I've got this order in the main, I've got this order in the north location, and this order in the west location. So all of that's configurable. You can use any table that's in Business Central or any table that's in any other app or any other extension, and that will work. Thanks for your time. Bye.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content, and remember to hit that bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video.